Okay, for our example here, we have Ryan, and we have his investment portfolio shown below. So we've got our savings account, municipal bonds, preferred stock, and common stocks. So we want to know, what is his weighted mean ROR? So his weighted mean return here is what we're looking for. So what you want to do is, in your Excel calculator, you want to make sure you go down to the tab that says weighted mean. Okay, that is where you want to be. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to make this smaller so we can see everything here. And I'm just going to start with the amount we invested. So $3,200. The ROR is 2.1%. Then $4,900 at 4.5%. $940 at 10.5%. And $1,675 at negative 3.5%. So when I do this right here, we're looking for the weighted mean. If you notice right here, it's giving me the weighted mean. And what the weighted mean is each one of these don't count the same because they have different values in the accounts. So it's figuring it up based on the amount of money in the account. So our overall weighted mean is 3.06%.